Mate afisam no mfamfiri Kumase Asante Kotoko me sakati fo biem abetamu in nebekaya yebo first round of the Ghana Premier League no na ban say Sabrina Kotoko bo Africa omako I think Algeria right was it Algeria or Morocco mubako Morocco right na Kotoko akọ ekobo aye game ye pon game no ye Kotoko Lucy Yankotia, yes, say almost striker on nation goals. Edema team no abetamu a Kotoko company for say almost ton abrante Edino ama aye Ahly Benghazi. Ade asam ne beto abonte no Kotoko supporters dodo na dry pass team aye bo league na Africa cry Lucy game. Na yes striker no na eboan ama season ye be so ebetumi asa nya the north asa akobo Africa ne bi mo so ma ton ne dia ene be ye deja ewo ayekuma. Arante ne koe no anche yeso sikakra o se Ahly Benghazi etu ade makotoko no omuntuai enti kotoko kra de krata ekomom so omahwe na omontua sika na ne ombesa be form Arante back eno so kokogugui na afedi ete se sika no Ahly Benghazi for ne tua ade ama aye kotoko. Then the next thing I say and say yes the new coach ono na okuta aye Ahly Benghazi onsa Arante no coach ankasa obefande ne koe no de embenufo gya ne kwan enti new coach na aba new coach ne bae no na ose se ohwe ne team na all board na Arante a ye fence abet Amoah as on fit into the scheme of air things edema ono aye coach no enti omohwe no mpetim bi ma Arante no na onko loan enko na ne mumia wasaba na obesia kan ade ama aye Kumase asane oko anu na nura ade ba na no pen na no there this stories anu so go rounder say Benghazi for no omo bokotoko amane say Arante no kra no aso mo hwe no ball no ne ade ni coach ni nsam na oka na Arante no ntimi make cut no enti say the person me club bia wa ready say opesa ofa aye abetamu bia no omo ne betena se na afi omo ahwe na omo gya Arante no kwanti Sakoro interested dia enye omomra na omo enso entina ayase na afi omo yeso betimi gya Arante no ade ama Kumase so kokra no abisi akan enso etimi ade ama eno enna me pese de elenke yen discussions na no pay yen players omo free league nim eko outside eko siki for greener air pasa obaya no Agana no wa obobo ne kama ye helino I mean baby abefa bia obu okra be na Black Stars material your friend Black Stars ama no kusia kan but obetu no to kakra bi be free in league nim ebe call a different jurisdiction na asabon no ontimi mo be ya obetie so player no kwen no wasan ababie ma osan abababo aye the Ghana Premier League. What sort of and now what kind of picture and as how they were painty at the far yen league no yen players and end to omobo sika pen and do mutu kwan no agent for na Amoah e dey pan ye betimi dia solve this problem and only in discussion am person you have it and awo aye dwumadi no so again message say dey free Bismarck Owusu Bempa Ayala ho ade atiti say koban say no kre say Ahly Benghazi for so Arante no kra no omo nche ne hia ne services bi enti omo pe eye team bi betimi aton no ede no ama sa club na then can define league no ho picture be ni painty because at Abetamwa at a point yes you friend of Black Stars.
Okay, first of all me be say obi o tie bi agitum say enkomo ya ye has the name Amoah as a reference.
Okay.
From Komono, but this problem is way beyond Amoah.
Yeah.
There are
several
examples.
There we say Taylor, Joseph Eso, Emmanuel Keke, oi.
Keke. Oh, I think he's playing in one of those.
Salif Ibrahim Di Maria.
Yeah, I'm quite saying the contract was terminated with Kosovo club. You see, you can go as far back as Abeku Enusin Munina. they went to Ahly Omdurman the same season how much omo contract no.
Chasela muni na ko Tunisia amfa.
Yeah. And I mean no say Matiti say Abanti finish Shaukan. And so he's facing the same problem and I'm here. So when you be before Franco I was back to the Ghana Premier League. Now Rich. I think say your problem no. I idea you do won commodada. And obi a wotie show ni bia one way or the other have either said it to himself or from radio so aka and now or the dim komo so the Ghana football komo. The fact of the matter and he say Rich, the standard of ye players now omunya akunya kono ewofom and ewofom because and you say they are not good players but Rich, they go too early and you say they are not good, they are very good but they go too early
as a boss season back could be a farmer na no be.
And I will come back to them going too early, no. But Rich, and you move photos so say they go too early. Because sa otina hacha. Sike also unya de bone brano. Unya.
And you bet me am examples baby. Okay, Kwabena Aduza Azaro.
Yeah.
Oko Mpumalanga
Black Aces.
Yeah. Obaya, we say ave de Kwabena Shase atona sase bi osini dan bo atona car kitu bi awuji.
Go and ask Kotoko supporters when Yaya Mohammed could try U10 by training grounds. Go and ask them. Omo no more then they will tell you.
Kwambuku ko Ojiya ba na nzen. In difference album.
Of course. Now Rich. The entire see a players, you know, they go too early. Me, I will never sit anywhere and say Ghanaian talents. Omunimbobo. They are very, very good with omo talent, you know. But Rich, Adia America say player be matured. And why are you ready to make the next move? The number of years are consistently overboard at the highest level. I bet I'm waiting a year example. Rich, how many years no Abokotoko? Of you Olympics by any where do Kotoko achieve African campaign just once? And no crano. And you say, be a Kotoko Koya could do bear semi-final. Okay, so oh, the guy has really tasted continental football. And he is relatively not so matured. Only so exposed. But move now, Mumekino. Rich, these African countries say Ahly Benghazi, Club Africain, Pyramid, Omubesaiwa to get into their team to go and compete in Africa. And at that level, say unyo be a consistent partaker of side platform now. Not only the maturity by way of you are being built. Say what about 2-3 years at the highest level? What about group stages of the Champions League? Rich, how do you expect you to hit the ground running? And Omusiko Muwenti, they don't have time. They don't have time. In fact, a club policy say when they are buying these foreign players, that is why it is easy for them to sack them. Some of the club like Ahly Omdurman, Ahly, they will put it in your contracts. Say, the entire your defenders for Sudan.
Yeah, before.
Nemo before who are beku enusin. And say, Sankeba Sudanese League in Nkwadia, these Sudan players can win it for us. African team here Babato. And until I wash I do bano. straight away you got $10,000 a month. African India. The moment your African campaign no, we have the right solely to assess your performance and decide whether we will continue with you or not. You have to agree that in your contract. And you should know, say, for specific projects.
I'm far baby.
And some projects, no, you must say, answer a Ghanaian place every 2 among to go and be part of that project. You know, how prepared and almost clubs, any Ghana Premier League, you know, are prepared almost to have a successful project no more. And the Diabano.
Oh, go Africans are prelims. The second game
now. See a coy and a film. Now, who coy and a film?
Do you experience be
what buy a beer 4 matches? Ubu Ucha first said, no. Second one, no film. Ucha first said, the second one with film. What about 4 games on the African continent? Then you go and sign for Al Hilal. Rich, how long will you survive?
Then what it means also is that the clubs number sign your players now. We probably also have to be very careful. Because also, why are you signing a player about just 4 games on the African continent?
Because he has been packaged to them.
But 4 matches is 4 matches. Ahly Benghazi, Africa. Then you buy Albertama, who has just 4 games. Honestly speaking, saying me who issue. I've been thinking that is there something sinister? I say so much here, maybe Ahly for free, so I do maybe we don't know. Because how do you get a player in so early? You don't even give him 1 full season.
They can't.
No, Rich, you see,
they will never do it.
Again, I disagree. Per my personal stance, because who can say, oh man, the player to compete? What is competition without a full season? Because player if you be able to western part of Africa, you are in the Sahara. Baby out in the country, be a temperature difference, family, all of these things are difficult for the player. So why don't you let the player settle and then see the best out of him? But if in 3 months or Babaka,
you are doing a due diligence analysis from clubs number 2 players, which is fair. But in the Ghanaian perspective, whether they did due diligence or not,
it's a bread and butter.
You get it. Say, once we are able to package the players and sell to you, anything
problem
you get on. It's the FIFA spot on.
Maybe player be our 2 can come off. No catch him. I say Rich. I'm filthy rich. I'm boo players because I know I got national team players. I be go.
Yes.
Obano and performing. Obama for rubber. The money is there.
You watch the.
They are ready to spend.
You watch the Mali national team, and there's a midfielder from Ahly. There's a midfielder from Esperance. In national teams, you watch DR Congo. You watch player say Yusuf Dalo.
And say Burkina team on the ball.
Yes.
Afcon. Team here you got over him. Share Azizki.
Yes.
He's a national team player.
Ahly Dieng is in there.
Yeah, Dieng.
So they have the money to splash it.
So you see, I don't know omo ejitum say Obana onyade. Because they purchase players from Mali, Omutobi from Angola, Omutobi from even Ethiopia, DR Congo. When they come and fit into their teams. Oshe clubs say Ahly, Esperance, Zamalek, Pyramids, RS Bekani. You can go through all those clubs. And some even in North Africa, where you will not get a blasting person with team anymore, or you key player to them. But the problem then they say, when they buy the Koulibalis, the Dalos more, and in the end more, they are coming from either Simba. They buy them from TP Mazembe. They buy them from Stade Malien.
Oh, African experience.
I'm talking from asset.
So you see, that's where the problem is. So who told DNG free Simba? Who told DNG free
TP Maxim,
all 20 matches, 30 matches, 50 matches, near the other one. Or every campus as well. National team experience. Now they never know hit the ground running. You don't expect Abetamwa. I'm no Yajino, but I'm just trying to also look at it from the other side. So maybe it is away from the bread and butter. It's important for agents, clubs to also force in clauses to protect the player interest, especially in development. Because in yes, no problem. But you see, the problem is that Abetamwa, so about back fully. Can Kotoko pay him 20,000 USD a month? So you see, it's going to affect the quality of life of Abetamwa.
But you see, players, they don't care if a 6 months per crown of it me akobaba. Na obegis kanaba. They don't care if it's 1 season. 1 season is 10 months.
Okay, 10,000.
10,000. Fabra 5,000. So I give 5,000 10 months. That is $50,000. So with the $50,000, what's in the field? What on the card? And on him say, on your side, expose I know Libya. Oba enche obeti mi nako Ethiopia. Obeti mi nako Namibia. Obeti mi nane nama. On your side 5 years. Yes. On your side 5 years of roaming now. Oh, you okay? Now look. A typical example is Augustine Okra.
Okra, Okra, Japadi.
You get it? By explaining that,
yeah, Okra,
but the fact of the matter, they say, only the bobo 90 minutes of a chamber, we are point. That's what Biakas or Kofia. Umfio come, Obiakas of Kotunika, Unka Kotuni, away.
That's all about Kotokoro. Now go to place that.
Maybe then fear club na hide ya momo.
Ya ha no against no can no body be.
Yes.
Ono na dan ya hand ya go to place that.
Okra one of the lot. Okra stands out, and even for Okra, when your success, I mean, come you Kakra Black Stars near the end. And I'm saying bizarre question. I know which. Harrison Afro echo experience now chair. You see Harrison Afro, I think Ghanaian players recently are not one of the names.
Yes.
Longevity and success. Nay, straight from Kotoko to Esperance.
Yes.
So why is this as Harrison Afro able to go straight from here?
So you see, say, Sir Harrison Afro, for example. Say, nay, say, agent, you go catch Esperance, say, me who right back be power Kotoko. Unimbo, obeti me a bomb team. Do you think they will have doubt?
No, they won't.
But Ebian in Pacono, yes, close me brave, and I'm one. And Yamfan said, Nancy Kotoko Africa. Obi could deal with Amoah dance here, say they've gotten the new Harrison Afua.
Obejedi.
They will come and buy him.
Well, mom said any time.
But when the opportunity is given to you, who play and must prove, say indeed, ubeti abana. And what we are saying is say, no cre, nonsense. We a league in standard, a formula back formula. Any players no quality no. I guess be any hole. But and come be 2-3 seasons be can one. Omumbe no matter even your big class in Impo are not even consistent to Africa. And you need that exposure. You need
so I mean that
no film.
I'll bet more 4 matches of Akokobo Africa or Kobe. There is no guarantee that you will play in Africa next season.
You get it?
It means that a first season is what Jacob. Plus Ikasem.
Now you are having one.
No. But so that is it. So they can't stay long here. But as you put maybe I don't know. Maybe
but
you bring the FA, make it too far.
But
do you think interest?
Do you think say if who player who a crabby or says or no be a frow, or see Ofi, who could be St. John's bar or Boba, or a small boy, but he be 16 years, or a very good right back. See, okay. Now I bought a moin takoni, so I bought on the school. You see, okay. Sadia, Monfan and Bremen. then say you take him to Sports Life, our Accra. Or then the coin, who as a manager, who see Charlie, this guy, or me projects. Inti, minimum some more platform, more money platform. Everybody you could do Accra now, then Obiati watching talent for the say, I feel there could be a breast Sports Life for no. Moment about Chinchibo Musamonjano or a good. Then they call you and say, okay. Between Sports Life and Interlife, Michelle Interlife for business or me, I don't make the branch at the back. Then you take the guy there. After 2 seasons, then Club of a King come to you and say, Fee, oh boy, no, you say, ye mano $5,000. Near man a sign on fee of $25,000. Na obebo emayen. You say, then a Africa, you say, Fee. Time by now, as the manager to say draft a contract. The contract must protect the growth of Abrantiano. And when me as the manager, me just to say Abrantiano only drew Club of a standard. But the neighbor mamo, no man says cano. No, you have to put him on say probation for 1 season. The second season, I can make me to chopping block. No, say he will start picking up. Well, we are the money involved. A cranan casacra press or the Bama say, Unya Biaso can say, oh, Henry, and go forward the contract about Mrs. say, you will not even think twice and be fair to a kind standard then and say he will need protection. Because
there are time and no comedy job at Amoah.
Send your Rick.
First run, Africa. It's good money.
You see, Rich, say Ubenya sa reality no. Aka say Uber Bob and no by there. Then he needs to stay at the club. And he don't crowd.
You might hear from him.
And they don't turn crowd. So okay, almost 1 more season.
We have on football now.
Now almost 1 more season aka. What are the guarantees? Kotoko Sabe ko Africa biem.
You see, this brings me to Victor Roque, Mukofa and Ebaye. How Andre Kerry wanted, okay, my boy, no minutes. Who say, no, Richard, I'm first get to who say that the boy they call back to Brazil. Andre Kerry problem, you know, and say, Javi and my boy no playing time. And sometimes the nature me, I can't even force the argument is that it comes down to money.
Yeah, and because on agent of a credit. Play a team no so on so play on so peka credit.
Na reach enyisika enyisika. Sebi. Ahly Benghazi. Omuni ma de panche.
Libya nya na me guy. Ya bobo Libya.
Omuni ma de panche kotoko. Senka kotoko sika to keep abetamwa. No betimi akwa. Betimi abetamwa de bia akwa. Reach who senka kotoko sika. Ana kotoko ewo top level la. Enka Sone Yakuba money, Mukwela money, Etuga money, Kwame Bonsu Conte. And they will still be with the club.
Yeah.
Look at the team that have gone through Kotoko Nancy. You have to let them go.
322-358-18358-2-83583. I guess I said our players are not psychologically apt